let's look at this mixtures and solution question. It says that the strength of an indigo solution in percentage is equals to the amount of indigo in grams per 100 cc of water. That's understandable. Now, 800 cc bottles are filled with the indigo solutions of 33% and 17% respectively. A part of the solution from the first bottle is thrown away. So out of 800 cc of solution, you are suppose throwing away x. So how much are you left with? 800 minus x. And that has got what strength? 33%. Clear? Now go further. And replaced by an equal volume of the solution from the second bottle. Second bottle, equal volume that you have thrown. So you are taking x from the second bottle, which had 17% strength on it. And that is what you are mixing it with the quantity left in the first bottle. Now, if the strength of the indigo solution in the first bottle changes to 21%, this turns out to be 21%. Mixtures and solution is the equation that we are looking at. 33 minus 21 multiplied by 800 minus x must be equals to 21 minus 17 multiplied by x. This should give you the value of x. This becomes a 4x over here. This becomes a 12. So this will become a 12 times of 800 minus of x. So 4 3s are 12. Then it is going to be 2400 minus of 3x is equals to x. So 2400 will turn out to be equals to 4x. That means x will turn out to be equals to 600. So from the first bottle, you are removing 600 cc and throwing it away, and then adding 600 cc from the second bottle, right? Now, what is the question saying? Then the volume in cc of the solution left in the second bottle. Second bottle initially had 800 cc, and you have removed x from that in order to put it in the first bottle, right? So this is the quantity left over. So 800 minus 600 should then give you what? It should give you 200. So your answer to that particular question should be 200.